Hey you guys, welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Style of Catalina, aka Catalina on here. And I got a special guest.
Hi you guys, it's Ashley.
Hey you guys, welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Catalina, aka Style of Catalina on here, and today we are doing a makeup challenge, but it's not just any makeup challenge. I am doing it with my sis.
Hey y'all. You already know. I'm Ashley, also known as Beat by Shlee, also known as
Keep going!
Also known as Ashley Funsize, 2 underscores the beginning and the end. Yes, so we're here doing the makeup, non-dominant hand, and of course, this is what we came up with.
Period. We kind of fixed it just a little bit for the intro.
Just a tad bit because we were looking crazy. Okay,
but she was looking crazy. But I can't wait for you guys to see this video, so Please stay tuned. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you can get notified on when I upload, and hopefully you will be seeing her again and again and again and again.
You will, of course.
Support your Haitian sister. Okay?
No. Period.
So with that being said, let's get to the video.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we're here. You ready?
I'm so ready.
So basically what we're going to be doing is doing our makeup with our non-dominant hand for 20 minutes. Should it be 15?
Let's make it 15.
Because I can do my makeup in like
Good
20
15.
minutes.
Good 15, 20.
Yeah.
I think
So,
we do that.
so basically what we're going to be doing is doing our makeup for 15 minutes with our non-dominant hand. Okay? We're going to be looking at a mirror. There's a mirror right here. So we're going to be looking, but our non-dominant hand for 15 minutes. You think you got it?
No.
I'm gonna get it done first though.
Is this a race?
I think. So you're gonna watch me win on my own channel.
Challenge accepted.
Okay. Ready?
Just tell me when to start it and then.
Are you nervous?
I am so nervous because I'm like, what am I grabbing first? Tell me when to start.
5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Maybelline 335.
Some pencil.
Alright.
Alright, I don't know what I'm doing. I
Alright,
got it.
you got it. Like, stop panicking, sis.
Alright, I'm just. It's the eyebrows part that just be getting me. You know what? I'm not gonna do my eyebrows.
It's a part of your makeup look, right?
It doesn't have to be.
What you trying to say? Anyway.
First of all, you know that's the
I'm
easiest
blending.
part.
Cause I'm smart. Anyway,
All
so
right. Okay.
I'm just blending it out.
I'm just, filling in my eyebrows because foundation is the easiest part. You might
The
want
ones
to do
that don't have no
that.
foundation.
You might want to do that last. Look at my eyebrows though. Like it's.
You got 15 minutes though.
Oh my. All right. You know what? Next.
Okay.
I'm gonna just do
You
something.
need to put your hair back.
Oh, I did it. Oh. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm so done with you.
It's okay.
Okay, so I'm beautifully like. Is that a word? Beautifully?
Yeah, I think it is.
When do it becomes?
Okay.
Did you use it right?
I don't think I did. I was trying to say I'm like whatever. You distracted me right now.
Okay. All right. I'm sorry.
You trying to make me lose.
She's gonna lose. All right. I can't even. I am too far away.
I'm about to be beat to the gods. Like you about to look like.
I'm just nervous about this foundation part.
Look like a woman.
I am.
Okay.
At least I agree with you. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of time.
How many minutes we got now?
13. Oh, I'm good. 13.
And then we're gonna have like 10 minutes left. And you still gonna be on your eyebrows.
I know. That's why I just said, you know what, forget the eyebrows. We just do this like that. Bam! You know what I'm doing next? Foundation. It's not even my shade, but we're gonna make it work.
The same foundation as me.
Look, we can be twins. Just
Okay.
look. Look. Oh my gosh. Look. Okay, but look though. Look. I got a little contour.
I got my makeup bag right here. Just let y'all know.
Me too.
Okay. Then I forgot to correct and everything.
We don't got time for that.
I do.
Oh. Excuse me.
What'd you say? Hold up.
Alright.
Where's my? Oh my gosh. Okay.
You know
I'm
what?
using this Too Faced concealer.
See, that's
to
why
shape
you're
my
gonna
eyebrow.
lose. That's why you're gonna lose, because we don't got time to explain what
I do.
Okay, well then I'm using Maybelline Fit Me 335. I usually mix it with something else, but it's not here, so that's what you guys get. You know what? The contour stick might be my shade. Isn't that funny?
You see how quick that was? You see?
It's not even all that, but okay.
You know what? Anyway.
Such a hater. It isn't all that.
You know.
Wait, is this? Oh,
What?
I did it wrong.
What did you do?
I didn't do it with my non-dominant hand. You know what?
You know what?
Alright, what we're gonna do is finish. I wasn't finished, so I finish it off with our non-dominant hand.
Oh my gosh!
How do we forget?
Oh my gosh! So hyped, cause we just so hyped.
Exactly. Okay.
This is gonna take a while for me.
Alright.
Oh my gosh! That's why you was going so quick.
I know. This is so hard.
Look, my thing is not even blending anymore. Oh my gosh! Good catch though.
I know, right?
It would have been the end of the video. It was just like, oh. Alright. I have on lashes, by the way, you guys, and it's coming off right now, but it's okay. It's okay. We have 9 minutes. Well, 9:47.
Oh my gosh.
It's hard, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think I'm gonna just contour now. I think I'm done.
I feel like you're cheating.
How?
No. Okay.
How am I cheating?
Okay, so
Alright.
I'm gonna be mixing 2 concealers. I just bought this one from e.l.f. How many minutes we got left?
9:22.
What the heck? Okay.
I'm contouring right now. This is actually her contour. What is this?
This is the Black Radiance.
Black Radiance, love them.
Are you using your dominant hand? I mean, your non-dominant?
Non-dominant.
Okay. How do I put some
I forgot to do that. Thank you. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna have to do this quick. This is from.
I feel like you're
LA
cheating.
Colors. How am I cheating?
Because you're going fast.
Well, we had to.
Oh
Alright.
God.
I'm just gonna blend this
What
in.
is this? What is life right now?
Oh, I might win, you guys.
Anyway,
Oh my gosh, but I still look crazy. Just look.
what the heck? I'm using a brush because I can't do this.
That's why I use my brush. I want to switch my hair so
What
bad.
the heck?
Oh my gosh.
Yo, I'm struggling right now. This is not a joke.
Oh my gosh. Oh, all right. I think this is good enough.
No, it's not. You're missing a spot.
Really? Am I?
No, I'm just saying that.
Okay, hater. I look crazy. Look.
You look good.
You guys have to see it in like close up. Well, we don't want that.
Y'all see me struggling right now?
Kat, you have to. We have 7 minutes.
All I gotta do is contour.
I'm not
And set
contouring.
my under eyes.
I don't think I can contour. Like I
got this.
Oh, great. But I don't have. No, I'm just gonna have to do it all with one brush because.
That's what I always do. That's what I do.
All right, you guys. I'm gonna contour. You know. This is black radiance. Yeah. Contour.
I'm gonna set with the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder.
She fancy.
Period. Yeah.
I am gonna set with Airspun loose powder.
That's what I used to use.
Yeah, I don't usually use this. I usually use a Laura Mercier, but
Ooh, you fancy.
it's the only way you can be. Yeah. Okay. I feel like. Oh, that is. I'm like, that is your non-dominant hand. Okay.
I'm struggling.
Oh
my God.
I am not contouring my nose. It's just not gonna happen.
No, you're going to do that because that's your regular routine, right?
Or I am going to do it.
Thank you.
Oh. Oh.
I'm trying to win.
Alright. I mean, I am gonna win because I'm already done setting my face. Like, oh wait, no, I didn't set my face. Yes, so I'm gonna set my face with Airspun loose powder.
Yo, this powder make you look. Oh my gosh.
Oh, 6 minutes.
6 minutes. What the heck?
6 minutes
It's okay,
and 9
Kat, you
seconds.
almost done.
Alright,
You almost done.
bam. No time for baking. I don't even like to bake. But we just wanna.
I'm gonna be using to contour the Black Radiance contour, the sculpting color.
Okay,
Yeah,
guys.
just gonna scope it out.
Look, you guys. Guess what, you guys?
Y'all see this right now?
I look a mess. Look.
Shut up, yo.
Okay, so no time.
Your neck probably not gonna let it out.
It's not. It's probably not. Okay. It's coming together.
No, look at my face.
Look at what?
Oh my gosh. Okay. How many minutes we got left? Mascara.
5 minutes.
Where's your mascara?
I'm not putting on. I have lashes.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Bottom lashes.
Oh. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna poke my eye out. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna poke my eye out.
Okay, wait. Okay.
It's over for me. You guys, I can't do it.
That's a pro hand thing.
Oh my gosh, you know what? I don't even care. It's okay. It's okay. We still in the game. That's all I can do.
Okay.
What
What we doing, sis? Okay.
Should I do we even need to? I'm just gonna
I don't even use that no more.
highlight.
Highlight or setting spray. I got a busy day. I don't be doing all that no more.
Alright, you know what? I'm not setting my face because I'm gonna wash this off after.
You gotta use a lippy.
Oh!
Damn, I gotta.
Oh my gosh,
Wait, we got the same one?
No, do we?
No, we don't.
Other color? No,
No,
you got it,
okay.
right? Yeah. Oh my gosh. You guys.
Ew!
You guys. This is not, it's not
I'm
fun.
done.
Oh. What do you mean?
Period.
Oh my god.
Period.
Alright, you guys, I'm gonna use this color from Anastasia. Is it Anastasia?
I said Anastasia. Anastasia. I don't know.
My good sis.
I'm done.
I'm done too.
But I was on first though. Done.
Done.
You picked something up!
I'm done, you guys.
I'm done.
See,
The winner is Style of Catalina.
me. course, I won. Thank you very much.
How many minutes we got left, actually?
2 minutes.
Okay, we're done.
Hey, you guys, these are our looks. We probably look busted.
Busted. Flash pick.
I am so scared. Because I already know.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. All right.
Ready?
Yes. I'm gonna look a mess. I promise you, I'm gonna look a mess.
All right.
Go ahead.
Oh, we don't look like.
Oh,
Wait, this is blurry. Hold up.
it might be
Let me
a lie.
find out.
It might be a lie too.
Let
might
me. Let me see.
All right.
Ready?
It might be a lie. Oh,
It's not the best.
it's not the best.
It's not.
Girl, look at my eyebrows.
We kind of failed because we still look okay.
I mean,
It's just when you take a flash.
and we still have time left.
Exactly. And we took pictures on top of. Look at us. Look at us.
Hey, look at us. Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
So, what do you guys think? Do you guys like what we did? Would you like more challenges from us? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know if you want her again or you want somebody else because
I'm actually coming back. Okay?
So, if you would like, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you,
Also, make sure you like and subscribe.
You press the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload again. Okay, so that is it for this video. If God willing, I will see you in the next video. And make sure you love others because God loved you first. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Period. I won. And that's that on that. God loves you.
I hate you. We're done. Okay.
Period.
Period. Okay.
I'm gonna have to rub this in. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Ready? Take you serious.
I'm serious. Look, I'm serious.
Alright,
Look.
alright.
Hi, guys.
Oh my gosh. Okay. I was about to start.
You took so long.
3, 2, 1, action.
Hey you guys, welcome and thank you for clicking on this video.